Here are 5 quick tips for those who are pushing for Conqueror. First, if you find players with these titles in the spawn island, it'd be a wise decision to exit the match. You may be a better player, but still avoid taking risks. Second, try to take zone damage and keep healing yourself to increase your health points. Third, whenever you knock someone, don't let them go. Finish them instantly to increase your damage points. Fourth, try to extend the match by not finishing the last enemy until the final circle. This increases your survival points. Fifth, you get a relatively easier lobby during 3 to 7 a.m. of your respective countries. Good luck for your Conqueror push. Whenever you get an in-game message from your friend, you often open the Messages tab and start searching for the message amongst your huge friends list. This is very time-consuming. One simple way to directly read the message is by clicking on this Friends notification. The message opens directly and saves you time. Most of you have many misconceptions regarding the new XT weapons. Are they more powerful? Do they do more damage? The answer is no. These guns have improved stability, which helps in recoil control. Let's learn the damage dealt by a nade. Here are 5 players standing at 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 meters from the nade. Damages dealt to them are as follows. Now let's check the same for a vehicle. Here are 5 players. Seated inside the vehicle, 1, 3, 5, and 7 meters away from the vehicle. As you can see, the player seated inside the vehicle and the one standing very close to it are directly finished. The player standing 3 meters away from the vehicle gets knocked, and the other 2 take damage as follows. Here's a common mistake which most players do. While turning a buggy, they tend to keep the speed boost button pressed. This results in skidding. The correct way to take a proper turn is by pressing and holding the acceleration button just before taking the turn. Here's a cool trick to stay underwater without losing any health. Prone yourself. Now ask your teammate to slowly bring a dossier towards you in this manner. Now you can stay underwater without losing any health, and also look around for enemies using the I button. This is how it looks from an enemy's point of view. It would be a good practice to wear the same outfits while playing with your squad. During close-range fights, it will be easy to differentiate between your teammates and your enemies. This also creates confusion in the minds of your enemies. Here's a fun trick. You'll need a UAZ and a dossier. Prone yourself and keep sprinting towards the front. Now ask your teammate to run the dossier towards the UAZ. Once you're above the UAZ, ask them to remove both the vehicles. Boom, you'll fly in the air. Hold on, for one more bonus funny trick, you can bring a tuck-shy near the stairs of these houses in Sandhawk. Now press and hold the up button. Your tuck-shy will start flipping and would continue to do that infinitely.
إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الضغط على زر أعجبني ومشاركة الفيديو، ولكي يصلك كل جديد اشترك في قناة